I genuinely want to see you win, and I actually want to see you succeed in your journey to productivity, and that's why this video is a simple tactic for you to get that result. It's so simple that when you leave this video, you'll have an actionable step to implement in your next session of work to be more productive and get it done efficiently and effectively. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18, I turned lazy people productive using tactical techniques and strategies that changed my life forever. I went from someone who spent 5,000 hours or over 210 days straight playing Call of Duty and other such video games to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks of his work for my business, education and personal development goals. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over an actionable tactic for you to implement into your productive system for work to get more results in productivity. So this super simple concept has helped me stay productive, and simply put, it's accountability. And although this wishy-washy term is somewhat arbitrary, I'm going to give you specifications and criteria for your accountability to make sure you get the best results possible. So there's two methods I'm going to be speaking about. One of them, your environment, and the second, self-explanatory, that we'll get onto in the end of this video. So firstly, your environment. I understand a lot of people don't have the friend and the time with friends to sit together and revise and organize your business plans together. Window placement. So for me, I know you won't be able to see it, but there's a big window there. So when I'm sat here during the daytime doing my work, people are wandering by my window, and it motivates me to be more productive because I'm sat there. If I'm sat there slouched, feet on the desk, whatever, I look unproductive, I look like a slouch, and I look like I'm dishonoring my family name. As crazy and maybe dramatic as that seems, that's how I think. So when I see people walking by and I see the family name I have to honor, I get back to work, I get back dialed in, and I'm more productive as a result therefore, because people are seeing you work. The other way you can stimulate this is obviously by having people present, whether your family's in the room, you invite some friends over to do work together, but also going to coffee shops, libraries, anywhere where other people are present doing work in particular. Because if you see someone else doing work and they look over to you and you're scrolling on your phone, are you going to be doom scrolling for long, or are you going to feel that guilt seep in? Are you going to feel unproductive compared to that person who's dominating their work to the right of you? The chances of you doom scrolling while sat next to someone who is dialed in, typing away rapidly on a keyboard is very, very slim. So putting yourself in the environment for the work to fester and fester until you turn productive, until you have the discipline to sit down at your desk and do it by yourself, is a great and simple actionable tactic to become productive. And I understand people don't have friends, people may be lonely, but if you can create these friends and hold each other accountable, this is going to be really, really important for you in your productivity journey, because as soon as I said that, someone came to your head, someone came to the forefront of your mind. My friend Toby came to the forefront of my mind. We hold each other accountable, we do productive work together. Whoever that person came into your front of the mind, whether it's your friend, your brother, a family member, a girlfriend, a cousin, whoever it is, message someone immediately and tell them, you need to lock in, I need to lock in, let's get a work session together and hold each other accountable to get the things we need to get done. And obviously that requires planning, and if you are looking to change the game with productivity, I'm a productivity planner that allows you to do just that with specified criteria for planning, monthly habit trackers, and a whole host of other productive elements to it. The link will be at the top link in the description. Furthermore, if you're genuinely lonely and you can't interact with these people in the social situations, sitting in the library, even if it's on your own, people will walk by and that'll still hold you accountable, without interaction with them. So ideally, you have a friend, you hold each other accountable face to face, but if you're slightly antisocial, then you can rely on the library as an environment to dial you in. Coffee shops, libraries, and parasympathetic relationships. So this circumstance is me speaking to you via YouTube on my phone, your laptop, your computer, whatever it is, me speaking to you through a device of this medium is a parasympathetic relationship. We don't know each other in real life. We don't even know each other's name. I mean, you know my name, but I don't know yours. We're not interrelated in that regard. So this parasympathetic relationship, this relationship through proxy phone, can also hold you accountable, because if you see this video, you're going to feel motivated, inspired, and driven to do more work. So this parasympathetic relationship has dialed you in to do more work, holding you accountable. And furthermore, if you need more accountability like this, the second in the description, if we can book coaching with me, where I'll do just that. I'll sit on the calls with you, I'll tell you exactly what you need to get done, apply it to your life, and here's the kicker: if you leave this productive call without an actionable step to get the work done, then I will give you a full refund. It's cheap anyways, but If you leave the call without an actionable step of what you need to do to become productive, then I will give you 100% of your money back. The link's there if you're interested. Furthermore, family interaction. So I don't know about you, but when your mum walks into your bedroom, it's kind of a bit embarrassing. If your bed's not made, if your desk's dirty, if there's rubbish everywhere, you feel the guilt seep in. You feel this relational guilt where you're like embarrassed by your environment. And that's why my bed is made, my desk is clean, and I'm doing productive work, because I want to inspire not only the viewers behind my phone, not only the people I post to online, but my whole family. When they see me in this working environment, I want to be held accountable by them sympathetically, and I will hold them accountable by inspiring them, by doing the work that I need to get done. If I don't do the work I need to get done, you're dishonoring your family name. And as dramatic as that seems, maybe this is the motivation you need. Maybe you need to be inspired to not only succeed for yourself, but to succeed for the will of your family, for the productive will of your family. You need to be productive yourself. Hold your family name to a higher standard of accountability, and let that hold you accountable yourself. When you sit at your desk, imagine the bloodline that's died for you to be here. You fumble and you falter in procrastination. You should be embarrassed, to be honest. And this is critical, dramatic advice. I hope it doesn't offend you too much that you click off the video, like you probably have already, but just use your family interactions as accountability for your work. So the actionable step of this video, after that long, hard, dramatic rant, put yourself in view of others. When you're in the view of others, you feel held accountable by sympathetic relationships. When the eyes are on you and you're doom scrolling on your phone, that feeling of guilt for not doing the productive work you set yourself out to do will seep in and banish procrastination. So if other people are watching you, you will get the work done, unless you're a social freak. But if that's the case, you're probably not watching this video. Finally, the tip I spoke about in the beginning, the self-explanatory tip, is to record yourself. So sometimes, if I'm feeling generally stuck in a rut of procrastination during the day, I'll set up my tripod here and I will record myself in a time lapse doing the work I need to get done. Number one, it provides content and it provides footage for these videos in the day and life, the videos that I'm doing, but it also holds me accountable by myself, because if I look over and it's recording and I'm not doing work, it's going to be so embarrassing posting that onto my YouTube and letting all my followers down. I hope this helps. The top links will take you to my products I have. I have a daily planner to help lazy people turn productive, and I've based it on neuroscience and tactical techniques and strategies that have changed the game in terms of my productivity and helped hundreds of thousands of people around the world. Furthermore, coaching in the description, where again I can promise just that. And if you leave the call without an actionable step to become productive, I will give you 100% of your money back, and I wish to help you help yourself. So if you're interested, I look forward to seeing you.